Hi everybody, this is Willie from Wow Academy, and today I'll be talking about the top 3 things I wish I knew before selling on Amazon. Right, so I've been selling on Amazon for the last 9 years, since 2012. And I've covered this topic in my podcast number 21, right? Same title, same everything. But in any case, I'd like to actually elaborate a bit more, okay, in this video itself. And the top 3 things, right? The first thing, okay, is costly storage fees if you don't sell our products. So the thing is that there's a lot of new Amazon sellers who like to actually buy, they like to commit to this mistake of buying like, thousands and thousands of units, and they send everything to Amazon. And the thing is that Amazon charges long-term storage fees. So the thing is, if you don't sell, or rather if you didn't sell your products at a certain number of, at a certain turnover percentage every day, or rather, if you don't really know how to sell your products on Amazon, this is actually pretty common for new sellers when they are starting out on Amazon, right? So the thing is that if you buy too many and if you are new in selling online, you're going to have this problem. There's going to be a huge storage fees if you don't sell products, right? And it will cost you, a few $1,000s a month if you don't sell. If you bring in like thousands and thousands of units itself, right? So this actually brings me to the second point. This is the first mistake that I make, right? And initially, when I first started selling on Amazon, I also, like many new sellers, I buy like thousands and thousands of units because the supplier says so, which I'll talk about that in point number 3, right? And point number 2, okay, the second thing that I wish I knew, right? I thought, I need to send like more than hundreds of units for Amazon to accept my inventory, right? But actually, you can send in 1 unit to Amazon. Okay, Amazon accept 1 unit, right? So that means if you're going to send 1 unit of marker, pencil, 1 unit, you can do that, right? So some of my students, they actually send in about 3 to 5 units, or rather majority of my students in my coaching program, we teach them on how to send 3 to 5 units. So some of the students, they actually send 1 unit, they actually mail the product over from Singapore, okay, directly into Amazon itself, 1 unit using SingPost, and they are able to sell over there just to see, the process and all that. So the second point is, I don't know that I can send 1 unit, okay? Which a lot of people out there are saying that, hey, you need to, send in thousands and thousands. If not, Amazon wouldn't allow. That's not true. You can send 1 unit, all right? And the third thing is that you must be firm with suppliers because, when I thought that, okay, initially when I want to sell one of my first product, okay, let me just recollect what is the first product that I sell. Okay, so I used to sell this product called a knife sharpener, right? At the point of time, I'm still pretty new in e-commerce and I do not know how to be very firm with my suppliers. And suppliers, naturally, they want you to buy in bulk, okay? They want you to buy at least 500 to 600 units of inventory itself because they want to make money, right? They make wholesale, they do not want to make like 1 to 2 units of sales from you. They want to make like few hundred to few thousands, that's best, right? So their sales team, okay, on Alibaba will try to convince you to say that, hey, you need to buy like 500, 600, 1,000 units so that you can enjoy the price that you want, all right? You want $6 a unit? Okay, you got to buy 600 units from me, okay? If not, it's gonna cost you like $20 each, okay? If you buy 600 units, $6 each, okay? So initially, I do not know that, I need to be firm. I was like, okay, you're a supplier, I'll just buy in bulk so that I can enjoy the price. And I do not want to offend you, right? I do not want to be rejected by my suppliers, my first suppliers. Okay, I bought the 600 units and I sent to Amazon and it doesn't sell and I was charged long-term storage fees. And eventually I found out that, hey, I can send 1 unit. Actually, okay, so eventually I go back to supplier, say that, hey, I do not want to send in any more 600 or 500 units. I just want to buy like 10 units from you. Then the supplier said that, hey, if you want to buy 10, sure, all right, each unit $20, sure, all right, $200 for 10 units, send it in. If I can sell the 10 units, at least I know that, that the product can sell. It's not going to be stuck. Even though, every unit is going to make a little loss, it's going to make some kind of loss, but I treat the loss as gathering data, buying data, okay, by selling live on Amazon. I do not want to sell live on Amazon by, sending in 600, 1,000 units. All right, I do not want to buy data, because in the first place, 600 units, you're not there to buy data, you're there to sell, right? So I want to buy data with like 5 to 10 units, 3 to 5 units, $200. Okay, if I can sell, yep. If I cannot sell, $200 is there. Okay, 10 units, it will just clear by itself, right? So yeah, so these are the three things. Okay, if you want to know more about how there's a lot of people going to say that you buy so little, you are not going to make money. Of course, because when you buy so little, you're going to buy the data live, so-called buy the data live. All right, so I covered this in one of my live stream, so you can catch my live stream every now and then. It's going to be pretty frequent these days. All right, so yeah, I mean, catch me on Facebook, right? So if you want, you can actually PM me on Facebook. Just go to Facebook and type Willie Lin Y Academy. If not, you can see the scrolling text here. You can actually just book a call with us to see if you're a good fit into our coaching program, and from there, we'll actually help you to start or even scale your Amazon e-commerce business, right? So yeah, that's it for this YouTube video. The top 3 things I wish I knew before selling on Amazon, right? I'll see you in the next one. All right, cheers.